This is a tutorial on how to use the BWC171. To turn on, click the button on the top left of the camera. It should show a green light and a prompt on the screen. To start recording, click the button on the top left of the camera. It should show a red dot on the top left of the camera and a flashing red light on the top right of the camera. To stop recording, press the record button once again. To take a picture, click on the camera button on the left side of the camera, and the picture will be taken. To record audio only, click on the button located at the top right of the camera. It should show a flashing amber light and with a microphone or microphone picture on the camera. To stop audio recording, click on the audio button once again. It should be beeping sound and the light should go back to green. To on flashlight, click on the flashlight button at the right side of the camera. To turn off, press it once again. To activate laser pointer, click on the button below the flashlight. The laser pointer will be activated. To turn off, press it once again. To view your footages, simply click on OK on the bottom right of the camera. To select whether you want to listen to your audio, watch your videos, or view your photos, simply press on the right or left button. And to enter, click on OK. Click on left to go up and click on right to go down. To go back, press M once again. And to go back again, press M. To go to the setting of the camera, click on M, which is located at the bottom left of the camera. From here, you can view your video setting, your photo setting, and your general setting. To enter the setting, press OK again. And the same method, right for down and left for up. To go back, press M once again. And to turn off, press and hold the button on the top left of the camera. Thank you.